So if you are working on flooring specifically, which is why I bought these, I'm helping my brother lay some flooring in his house, and we're pretty much on our knees all day installing that flooring, and it really can bother your knees very quickly if you don't have some sort of good padding. But if you work in any kind of industry where you're on your knees a lot, I'm sure you are aware of these as well. But I'm so far pretty impressed with this pair. I did some research online to figure out what would be the best fit for me, and I found these, and so far I think they work well. I wanted to quickly tell you how to wear them. So just make sure that when the knee pad is on, the strap part where you're pulling it tight is on the outside of your leg. So for example, this would be on this side, this one would be on this side. And if you bend your knee to sit down, this should be facing this way, not on the top of your leg. So if it's facing this way when your knee is bent and you're sitting in a chair and these straps are on the outside of your knee, then you're wearing it correctly. And if you strap it this way and it still moves around a little bit too much for you, you can take the straps off and actually crisscross them to make an X in the back instead, which will also help them from slipping down. But if you are in an industry where you are on your knees a lot and you're trying to protect them, or you even have one job that you're helping your brother with to put some flooring in his house, your knees will very quickly take abuse if you don't have some sort of knee pad. These are the ones that I've found and I enjoy using, and if you are in the same boat as me, I would definitely recommend them.